Good morning guys. In today's video we'll see how to draw different sketches on the sketcher workbench, right? So these are the sketches that we'll be drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7. So we'll be drawing these sketches one by one, and we'll start from the sketch number 1. So this is sketch number 1 over here, right? So I've already opened up my cat here. So I will invoke the sketcher workbench. We'll go to the mechanical design. Then from here we can either open the part design workbench or we can open the sketcher workbench. Now I have invoked the sketcher workbench. Let's click on OK. So here this is my. Now if you look closely over here, we are in part design workbench as of now. We are not in the sketcher workbench. In order to go into the sketcher workbench, the first thing that we require to do is we need to select a plane. So we'll look at the figure first. So this is a figure which we need to draw, right? So the sketch that we need to draw. So let's select a plane. Let's select the XY plane. So here the XY plane is here. Now if you look very closely, all see these are already grid is open. Then snap to grid is snap, that is open. Snap to point. Then my geometrical constraints are on and my dimensional constraints are on, right? So any tool which is orange in color is the one which has been invoked in the sketcher workbench, right? For example, if I invoke the profile workbench, I'll click it once and you can see that it is orange in color now. I click it again, it's blue. So anything which is on, it will be of orange color, and ones which are not invoked will be blue in color. Right? Okay, let's have a quick look at the figure again. So this is a figure with dimensions 40, 30, 30 and 20, right? So okay, so I can draw it in two ways. I can use lines for that, or I can use the profile for that. I'll be using I'll be using profiles over here. You can try it by using lines, right? Again, there are two ways of making it. I can make the entire figure, or I can make it I can use the mirror command and make half of the figure, and because it's a symmetrical figure, so half can be used by making the mirror command. So since I've invoked the profile command bar, what I'll do is that see the dimensions are 40. Now what we know is that each block over here, this grid size is 10 by 10. See, 10 mm and 10 mm. So it's 10 by 10 grid width that we have. So for 40 I need 20 and 20, right? And 60 is the total. So start from here, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 blocks means 40. Now you can, okay, so I'll just say 40. Now if you look over here, here we get the dimensions. What is the start point, what is the end point, and what is the dimension. So then again I need 30, 10, 20, 30. Now you can see that the L, H is horizontal, V is vertical, L is length, and A is angle, right? So 30, then it was 20. So I'll go 10 downwards and 20, 30, then 10, 20, 30, and then I'll close this figure. Now, so this is what was required. Now we want to see whether what I have drawn is right or not. So I'll click here, add constraints, so I get a dimension of 40. Again 30, 30, 20, right? And these are all the same type. So let's click here, let's add over here Let's say we'll fix this. Right. Now if you look at the color over here, this is green. Now green color means that our sketch is fully constrained, right? And if the color is pink, it means that it is over constrained, right? So the color of a sketch should always be green, right? So once we do that, now you can see that these are all, this is the green color. Now if I add a dimension to this green color once more, it will change the color. Now you can see that the color has been changed from green to pinkish, right? That means that it is over constrained. So I'll undo this. I'll use Control Z, and now the sketch color is green. Okay, so okay, I'll show you one more way in which the same sketch can be made. Again, see, we need to know all the aspects of cat here so that you can draw it in a very easier way, and you can use different tools for that. There's many ways of doing things, right? So again, I'll draw this by using a mirror command now. So for mirror command, what I need is I need a line first, or an axis about which the command is to be used. So let's create an axis first. I have to use this as creating an axis. So this is the axis. Now again, I'll use the profile command. So okay, let's not use the profile command. I'll use the line command now. So I'll use the line command. So I'll start from here, and I know that the dimension was 40. So since I'm doing half of this figure, so I'll go it by 20. So I'll start from here, and I'll go 10 and 10, 20. Now if you look over here, I'll get the length. So you see 20, right? So this is 20. Draw this. Now in order to avoid using the command again and again, I can double click this command. So once I double click this, I do not need to select it again after drawing one line. So like 10, 20, 30, I'll click here, and I'll click here, 10, then I'll click here, 10, 20, 30, click here, and then I'll click here. Now I'll use the escape command, and that is done. So now if you look over here, you'll see that I'll just enhance. Okay, so if you look over here, this is my command. Now in order to use the mirror command, what I'll do is I'll select all the lines which I need to mirror. So I'll select this line, 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 this, sorry, this, and this. Then I'll go to the profile toolbar, which is this, and I'll select the mirror command, mirror, and I'll select the axis or the line about which I need to mirror things. So this. Now you can see that I've got this over here, right? So now if I use the dimension constraints, I'll find that this is 20. Again, this has to be 20. Now why is this showing me, why is this changing the color? Because I have mirrored it, so it is the same size basically. Right. So this is, okay, let's use the command. This is 30. It's 30. And this will be 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20. See, now again, if it is showing me the color is 10, so it is over constrained. That means I do not have to use this. That's it. It's done. Right. Now this is not fixed. If I fixed it, sorry, if I fix